I made Ana de Armas with AI. These pictures are not real. I use a very powerful AI tool and make these consistent characters. And now you can make ultra-realistic, consistent characters. Not only characters, but also cartoon characters, consistent product photos, and many more. So, how to do it? Let's begin and subscribe for more AI tools. Go to this website named openart.ai. After sign up, now you can see this interface. Here you can create images and edit images. And the most dynamic feature is train customized models. It means you can make your own character, which is really very high quality. Here it mentioned that you can choose your style and explore models, train models, upscale your images, and bulk create, and image to prompt. So the features are unique than other AI tools. I didn't see bulk create in any AI tools. So you get all these features in one AI tool, which is really impressive. So now let's create some images. Then we will create our own model. Now click on Create Image. You can see this user-friendly dashboard. Here you choose the style for image. You can see 100+ style are available here. This is insane. 3D characters, Pixar, anime, comic, illustration, logo, and many more. You can use this tool for any purpose. For your business, your agency, graphics design, and more doors are open up for you. Okay, let's create now. Here you can choose a model. A lot of models exist here for your creation, like Flux NL, Flux Realism, Stable Diffusion, Arts XL for cartoon, and more, so explore it. I chose Flux Realism. Now give your prompt here. I give a random prompt to show you. A beautiful woman with brown hair holding white dog in hand. You can enhance your prompt by clicking on it. So for this time, I go through my rough prompt. Here you can upload image for reference. In advanced settings, you can customize steps. Here, select your aspect ratio. Select number of images. Let's hit generate. It costs 10 credits for this creation. Wow, it's amazing. The hair color, the white dog, the eyes, everything is perfect. But I think hand is a little bit inaccurate, but still good. The second one is really perfect. The face curve, her teeth, and look at her hand. Overall, it's great. Don't forget it's our first try. Let's try another one. So, now I choose another model. I think this one is better. Let's see. Give a random prompt. A gorgeous queen wearing crown. Now let's enhance the prompt. I click on it. You will get 3 options. Quick Enhance, Customize Prompt, Image to Prompt. I select Quick Enhance. Look, it gives a detailed prompt on my idea. Now similarly, choose your settings and image ratio. So I keep it the same. Now let's create. So the image is so decent. It maintains the prompt details. So let's move to create our own model. Click on Model. Click on the Train Model. You can see this dashboard. Here you can choose style, character, face, and object, which are very large features. In other tools, I only get character, face feature to create model. But here you have 4 different models to generate. So firstly, I select face. Now give model name. So I give Ana de. Here you can see you can upload 400 to 500 image samples. So if you upload more images, it will create more accurate images for you. Here you see 2 disclaimers. The image size must be at least 384 is 384, so keep it in mind. So as an example, I uploaded 8 images of the model I want to create. I suggest you to upload more images of different poses and styles. Click on Upload. Now click on Train Your Model. It will take a few minutes. Okay, so our model is ready to generate images. Now you will get the previous interface. Give your prompt here. A hyper-realistic image of a pretty woman wearing a hat with black outfit holding a white cat. And now enhance the prompt. You can give seed. I select 2x upscale. Look how fast it is. The image is quite good, but I see small inaccuracy in hand posture. But let's see another creation. I give a prompt. A woman in blue hair wearing black silk. Outfit holding roses and smiling in the evening at sea beach. This time I will create the original without upscaling it. Let's hit create. Yeah, that's so perfect. It looks original. Look at the face, and her smile, hair, clothing is quite accurate. I love it. I hope this AI tool will be a game changer for you. Go and explore it now. The link is in my video description. And subscribe for more.